Many children have an inherent fascination with space and astronomy. The vastness of the universe, with its black holes, asteroids, and distant planets, captures their imagination. If your child dreams of having a space-themed bedroom, you may be unsure of where to begin. Concerns about long-term commitment and changing interests can make it challenging to decide on the right decor. However, there are creative and adaptable approaches that allow you to create a captivating space-themed room without making permanent changes. In this video, we will explore a nice topic about space-themed bedroom for your lovely kids. If you're looking this information too, then this video is perfect for you. We will also show you some of beautiful collection about space-themed bedroom design ideas. Hope you enjoy. When designing a space-themed bedroom for your child, it's essential to prioritize flexibility. By choosing decor options that can be easily modified or replaced, you can accommodate your child's evolving interests and prevent the need for extensive redecoration. Let's explore some versatile ideas for a space-themed bedroom that can be easily adapted over time. Instead of committing to a specific paint color or design, consider using removable wall decals. These decals feature space-related images such as planets, rockets, astronauts, or constellations. They adhere to the walls without causing damage and can be easily removed or replaced when desired. This allows for a quick update to the room's ambience, reflecting your child's changing tastes and interests. Create an enchanting celestial atmosphere by using glow-in-the-dark stickers. These stickers can be placed on the ceiling or walls, transforming the room into a captivating night sky. During the day, they absorb light and emit a soft glow at night. Not only do they add a touch of magic, but they also create a calming and immersive experience for your child. As their interests evolve, you can replace the stickers with new designs to suit their changing preferences. An easy way to infuse a space-themed vibe into the room is through bedding and pillows. Look for sets that feature rockets, stars, or galaxies. By incorporating space-themed patterns or prints, you can create a visually appealing atmosphere without the need for a complete overhaul. As your child's interests shift, simply replace the bedding and pillows with designs that align with their newfound passions. Consider incorporating space-themed curtains or blinds into the room's decor. These additions not only enhance the overall theme but also offer practicality. Curtains or blinds with space-inspired patterns or prints add a fun and decorative touch. As your child's interests mature, you can easily update the window treatments to reflect their changing preferences. This approach allows for adaptability without significant investment or effort. A crucial element in any space-themed bedroom is the lighting. Install a night light or a planetarium projector that projects stars and planets onto the ceiling or walls. This creates a mesmerizing nighttime atmosphere, evoking a sense of wonder and imagination. The soft glow can help your child feel calm and peaceful as they drift off to sleep. Should their interests shift, you can explore alternative lighting options that align with their changing passions. Designing a space-themed bedroom for your child is an exciting endeavor that celebrates their curiosity and love for astronomy. By prioritizing flexibility and adaptability, you can create a captivating environment that can evolve alongside your child's interests. Incorporate removable wall decals, glow-in-the-dark stickers, space-themed bedding and pillows, curtains or blinds, and creative lighting options. With these versatile choices, you can transform your child's bedroom into a celestial sanctuary while ensuring that it can be easily updated as their cosmic journey continues.